This is where I'm gonna plant all the daffodils that I have. I think I'm gonna plant them in groups of 3, 4, and 5. So I think everywhere you see empty spots, I am gonna add a little group. And I know it looks shady at the moment, but the sun actually changed throughout the day. I'm gonna plant them very close to or in the middle of the hydrangeas because they're gonna be flowering in the spring. And when the hydrangeas start leafing out, they're gonna cover the foliage, the dying foliage of the daffodils, and that is gonna be amazing. So let's see how many I could fit in here. But I know if I am calculating good, I think I might be able to have some to plant in this flower bed as well. Maybe even here. I have alliums in there from previous year, and this year I added some alliums here as well as in this bed. So the daffodils are going to be a really nice complement to the alliums. I have been thinking all morning, how do I want to plant them? Right now this is in the shade, but in spring is usually in the sun. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now I'm gonna add some bone fertilizer. This is an organic bone fertilizer. I'm not putting too much, but I don't think it's. I mean, if you don't have it, I don't think you need it, but I have it, and I bought it for this, so I'm gonna use it. They're gonna be planted about 6 inches deep. Okay, so in some places I'm planting only one. I know this year is not gonna be a huge impact, but I think eventually one. Over here I'm gonna plant 3, almost 4 because one of them has 2. That is that. Depending on the size of your wall, plant it 3 times deeper. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna be planting any more bulbs in this flower bed, so I don't wanna keep disturbing. I know I have here some tulips from last year. This goes up and that goes down. How many more do I have left? I have three. I have three more. Where do I put it? Where do I put it? Let me think about it. I think I'm gonna put the 10 snowflakes over here somewhere. Okay, so This should do it. And in spring we should have a really nice show of tulips in there if they all take. And then I could add something. Now, like I said, I'm done planting bulbs.